Okay, hello everyone, this is Sumit, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that was introduced in Sitecore 10.1 called page branches. So, what Sitecore says about page branches is you can use page branches to create modifiable landing pages and other page types that you want to have a flexible layout. Once you have created a page branch, editor can use them as a template to create and modify pages in both the experience editor and the horizon. So I will show you that how we create a page branch and how we define some kind of rules that will be helpful to work as an insert option on the particular page. So before going to the page branches, let me show you that what I'm going to create here is under the template. I have created a template for a news page. So you will go to the if you go to the project, this is my website name, and I've created a news page and the news detail page. So news page is a main page and news detail page is a child of the news page, you can say. So if I go to this content, this is my tenant, this is my website. If I go to the presentation, I have created two partial design. One is header and one is footer. So and where I've applied that, I have added a new page design called news page design, and under the news page design I have referred this partial design called header and footer. So if I create a news page like this one, so it will come with a header and footer option. Okay, now on the page design I have associated the template that with the page design that news is a template and it will be associated with the news page design. Now I have all set for the basic Sitecore page integration, and now we'll move on to the page branches. So under the page branches, what I'm going to do is like I will using the insert option, I will create a page branch folder. So you can specify any kind of name called that I have already done. That decory.local is my website name, and I have added the name like this one. So now you can create a page branch that I've already created, but I will create a new page branch for you to demonstrate. So once you will add a page branch, you need to define the name of the branch. So here I'm adding news daily news page. Okay. Now from the page template, you need to define that which kind of page it will be. It will be so there are three kind of pages: home, news, and page. So I have created a news. We are creating for the news one. So I'm selecting news here, and the language by default is the English I have right now. So once you click on OK, it will create a new page branch for you. So if you expand that, you have a news page, and as I mentioned you that I have I can create a child news detail page under that. So if you go to insert option, you I'm going to add a news detail page, uh, new news detail page. I am giving the name here. Okay, so once you add that, it will create a structure like this one, because this is a bucketable item that I have created. So what I need is like once user create a news page, it will come with this bucketable item kind of things, and it will come with a initial news detail page. Now my structure is now almost ready. What I will show you that what I can do is this is a template, and I can see this template in the experience editor to see that how it will look like when a user will going to create a page like this one. So if I go to the publish, I click on the experience editor. Okay, now this page is now open in experience editor, and you can see that it is coming with two partial design. First is for header and one is for footer. Okay, so this is a like initial page, and like this is, you can say, initial template. Now you can, what you can do is like in add any kind of components from the toolbox of that SXA provide. So to make it simpler and easy to understand, what I'm going to use is I'm taking this title component, and I'm let me put that here. Okay, I'm putting some kind of text like this is uh, home home page banner place. Okay, now I will save that one, and if I go to the content editor, like I can see the presentation details for this item, and I can see that it's coming with the title. So now let me refresh that as well. Okay, so if you have some kind of components that contains a data source as well. So for example, in the news page, I have added a component. So it has automatically created a data folder for you. So what is the use of that one? If you create a if you create an item from this page branches, it will come with this kind of structure and also come with a data folder that has a that has some data sources associated with that one, and then you can change those data those data sources whatever you want to do this. So now we have all set with our page design, and now the turn is how we can use this page design when we want to create an option from the home. So like if I open a page, I can see that I don't have any kind of I need a insert option here with this page branches to make a new page branch like this one. So for this one, what page branches has is some kind of rules that we can define. So if you go to this Decorio local folder, uh, you can see that we can define some kind of rule. Let me show you how we can add a rule. So what we are going to add is we are going to have insert option. We are going to use this as an insert option here. So I will add a rule like this one: add a specified page branch to insert option. So you can see that into the specified thing I have choose the news as a page branch as a to the insert options. And to make it simpler, I can find multiple kind of conditions, so they can provide if the specific field compared to this specific value, then this will show as insert option. If the item has some kind of particular template, then it will show this option. To make it simpler, I'm using a condition like where the item name is equal to home, because I want that this page branch should come under the home item as an insert option. So you can define for many kind of rules and conditions over here, and you need to click OK. So now after that you have done all the insert options. So now we are good to go to create a page like this one. So if you go to this home page, and you will see that it is showing in the insert option this page branch news that we have created. So now if I click on this new page branch, and I am going to create a page like today's today news. So if I click on OK, okay, so today news is already is created for me. So you can see if you expand that, the data folder is coming here, and you can see that it is coming with this one. This is showing as a old because in my rules I have selected the old uh, page branch. So let me correct my rule. If I go to this folder again, if I click the edit rule, and if I change this page branch, so we have created daily news page as a page branch. So let me open that. Okay, now if I go to my page branch, if I expand my page branch folder and let it be done. Okay, I can choose daily news page as a page branch. So now if I save that, and let me create a new page from the home. So you can see that now it is showing daily news page. So I can daily news page for today. If I okay that, it will create a page like this one. And if I expand that, you can see that it is coming with the initial news detail page. And if I go to the presentation details, you can see it will come with a rendering that I have applied over there. You mean the component. If I open that in experience editor, publish experience editor, so it will look like same that we have already seen under that uh, page branch. So now from this, like this one, you can create multiple page branches. The advantage of page branches is that you can see that how your page will look like this once a content author will use uh, this page branch as insert option to create their own pages. So we can define initial control into that one with some kind of initial data sources. And if a content editor create a page here, so these data sources will come with this with the rendering also that you have provided. So that is all about the page branches. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question, you can just comment me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye.